everyone, welcome and thanks for joining me for my special 1-year YouTube anniversary video. I can't believe it's been exactly 1 year since my very first video went up. It was actually February 14th, so on Valentine's Day, so that'll be tomorrow. But it's just crazy that a whole year has gone by and I've had all these milestones. And, you know, I look back on the first video I ever recorded and uploaded, and I tell you, if you guys want a good laugh, check it out. I will link it up here at the top for you guys to check it out. It's just hilarious. Like, it's the funniest video, but you know what? You got to start somewhere. Just like with pouring, when you start pouring for the first time, it's not always going to be the greatest, but as you move along, you get better and better and better. So check out that video if you want to have a good laugh, all right? But, you know, a year later and 60,000 subscribers later, I cannot thank you guys enough for following me, subscribing to my channel, you know, supporting me, all the lovely comments, buying my art. I never would have thought that, you know, when I started this channel, if I said to myself, oh, a year from now, you're going to have 60,000 subscribers and you're going to be selling your art to people all over the world, like literally all over the world. I've sent stuff to the US, to Italy, to the Netherlands, UK, Australia, you know, I can't even remember other places, but I never would have thought. So, and I can't thank you guys enough. It's all because of you guys. So thank you so much for all of that. And because of that, I think it's time for a giveaway. So I would like to show you guys my appreciation and give away a little bit of something that I have put together. And if you saw my live video a couple of weeks back, I had mentioned doing a calendar. And I got some great support and a lot of people said, yeah, I would love a calendar. So here's the calendar. I had one made. I only have one right now because I wanted to check it out, make sure it's the way I liked it. But I do have a calendar. So the giveaway will be a calendar. And the giveaway will be, this is how you enter the giveaway. All you have to do is just comment on this video below. Just comment, tell me you love the calendar, tell me you want to be entered into the contest for the calendar. And then if you want a second vote, you can head on over to my Instagram channel, my Instagram account, and then you can follow me there, and then you will see a post that will have the calendar giveaway information. If you comment on that post on my Instagram channel, and make sure you're following me because I will check to make sure you're following. So follow me there and you'll get a second vote, okay? If you don't have Instagram, get one. And if you don't care for a second vote, that's fine too. You can, you know, get your one vote in here by just commenting below. So I will give this out to one lucky viewer. And so let's see, it is February 13th today. And so I will close the voting, I will close the contest, by 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow night. So on my 1 year anniversary, February 14th, the contest will close at midnight, okay? And then I'll gather all the names up and I'll pick one and the lucky winner will get a calendar. So I'll show you 1 or 2 months, so just so you kind of get an idea of what it looks like. So here you go. So there is March, March 2021. Now, the winner of this giveaway can decide what month they want their calendar to start in. It doesn't have to be a 2021 calendar. I can start it in April. If you want, I can start it whenever you want, okay? So you get to decide that. So here's my diptych of my yellow and purple from my Complementary Colors series. So that's one of the pictures. Here is another one. This is my purple Dutch pour. Let me see, I'll pick one more to show you guys. Let's see. Ooh, this one's actually pretty. My yellow one. This is my yellow and orange Dutch pour. So it's a 12-month calendar, obviously. I'll show you one more. So that is my Shelly Bloom. Okay, I won't show you any more. I'll leave the rest up for a surprise. So if you want to be part of the giveaway, and win this contest for this free calendar, comment below, follow me on Instagram, comment on the Instagram post, you get a second vote. For those of you who don't win the giveaway but want a calendar, you can email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com or message me on Instagram or Facebook, and you can put in an order for a calendar. I didn't know if I was just going to order like 50 of them and then just be done with it. I probably will. And then I'll have the option of either a full January 2021 calendar, 12-month calendar, or I might start one mid-year, you know, maybe July of 2020 to July of 2021. I haven't figured that out yet. However, if you want a calendar, please email me or private message me, and you can get your hands on one of these. I don't know how many I'm going to be ordering, but if you want one, act fast. They will be priced at $40 Canadian, okay? So $40 Canadian, and if you're in the US, it's cheaper for you, and then plus shipping, okay? So $40 Canadian plus shipping, all right? And also one more quick thing, if you also saw my live, you now know that I'm going to be offering prints. So I do have prints of some of my art pieces. I just placed a large order with my printing guy at the beginning of the week, and he is in the process of printing a whole bunch of prints for me. These are 10 by 10 prints. I will have 10 by 10s, 12 by 12s, and then I will have 9 by 12s and 11 by 14s. So this is, let me show you. This is my blue triptych. All right, so my blue triptych. So for those of you who want prints and can't afford, let's say, to buy the actual piece of the canvas, or it's sold and you really wanted one, you could just get prints. All right, so when the prints come in, I will let you guys know, and then we'll go from there. So I think that's it in regards to the giveaway. And I just, again, wanted to say thank you to everyone for your love and support. And, you know, it just means the world to me. And here's to another year, 2, 3, 4, who knows how many years. But I'm having fun doing this. I hope you're having fun watching these videos that I make for you guys. So I'll continue to do so. And I'll stop talking now, and we'll get to the pour for the night. Okay, be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Can you see my reflection? This is why I hate black. All right, so as you can see, it is black Dutch pour time, and these are 10 by 10 inch canvases that I'm going to be working on tonight. I have already gone ahead and put down my layer of black. It is Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Black mixed with Floetrol and water. And if you want to check out the ratios of how I mix my paints, check out video number 63. I will link it there at the top for you guys to check it out. All right, so I'm just going to pop the bubbles. I have not done that yet, so just do that real quick. When you were watching my intro, if you noticed in the back corner down here, I have a whiteboard, and my daughter likes to come down and hang out with me when I'm down in the basement arting. And she wrote, I don't know if you paid attention, but a list of chores, Sophia's list of chores. So you'll get quite the kick if you can make out what her chores are. So anywho, moving along, I am working on, or working with, Arteza. So I got this lovely box of Arteza paints, and it's the metallic, 36 metallic acrylic colors. So I'm super, super excited to be doing a metallic Dutch pour. There are 36 colors in here, and they're actually super neat. And I'll show you what they look like without dropping anything. All right, I've taken some out because I'll be using them tonight, but they're all in here. And if you are interested in purchasing any Arteza products, you can do so using the link I have provided below in my description, and you can save, you can get a discount and use the discount code Kanella Ciraco Art 1. Okay, so you can save, I think it's 10%. I'm pretty sure it's 10%. I will double check that because my mind is drawing a blank. I will put it in the description below. But again, use code Kanella Ciraco Art 1. I will also put that in the description below. All right. So I will show you what colors I am using tonight. So I had to mix my own colors because I don't have them in my squeeze bottles. So this is the first color, Shimmery, and this is Pearl Electric Blue. So Pearl Electric Blue, that is color number 1. Color number 2 is Pearl Royal Purple. So that is the second color I'm using. And then I am using Silver, even though that doesn't look silver, but silver. And next is, oh, this is a pretty color. This is called Pearl Turquoise. So Pearl Turquoise. And then we have Pearl Hot Pink. And then finally, I love this. It's such a nice light color. It's Pearl Glacier Blue. All right. So those are the 6. Aw, I just touched the canvas. Those are the 6 colors I'm going to be using tonight. And now I have to fix the part of the canvas I just touched. All right, there we go. I had gloves on when I did that. I hate getting black on my hands because it doesn't come off. Okay, so moving along, I'm going to go diagonally again because I really enjoyed going diagonally with my last piece. Oh, I didn't show you. That was my whole point too. I wanted to show you. It's dry. Look at that. Look at that shimmer. So shimmer, shimmer. It dried so nicely. I love it. This is one of my favorite pieces. One of my absolute favorite pieces. So it is dry. It is on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. It does need 2 coats of varnish. So that'll happen. Look at that. I love it. I love it. So if you are interested in this piece, you can email me and get your hands on it before somebody else does. All right, sorry. Back to tonight's pour. We are going to start with the blue, and I'm going to have to make my way across somehow. There we go. Perfect. Little totally crooked. Oh man, that's funny. That's not even really straight. Oh wow, look at it. I'm looking at the camera and it looks turquoise, but here it's actually blue. This is what happens with black as a background, guys. It totally messes with the lighting, so that does suck. I was totally off on my center here. So we will try that again with the purple. All right. And let's do silver next. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Okay, silver. And oh, this one is the turquoise. I really like this color. This is a really pretty color. All right. For those of you who want to check out Juno's channel, my husky puppy, the description or the link is in the description below. Check out his YouTube channel. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's so close to 1,000 subscribers, so check him out, or just search Juno the Husky and you will find him. I would really appreciate it if you followed him. Oh, this color, look at this color. It's so, I don't know if you can see that, but it's so pretty. It's such a light sky color. Very nice. This is a lot of paint, guys, but it's okay. All right, I'm going to torch this really quick, like so. Okay, move all this stuff out of the way. All right, let's blow it out. I will move this paper towel because I always tend to blow it off the table. Okay, let's see what, man, I really went really low here. So I'm gonna try and push it out that way. Ooh, it's so pastel. I love it, and I can actually see the silver. I can see the silver. I love it. It's pretty. This is really neat. And so I will pull it apart just a little because now, so let's see, let me grab my paper towel here again. Wow, this is really, really nice. I'm loving these colors, and the cells are really nice. So you know me, how I like everything to match. So I'm going to blow a little bit of this just to kind of make it match down here. So let's do some of that. Just a little bit there. And then I'm going to blow a little bit here to try and get it to match as close as possible up there. Oh, I just got my necklace. I'm always holding my necklace, and I didn't hold it this time. Okay, fixed. Issue fixed. All right. Perfect. Look, I got it to match exactly. Perfectly perfect. I love it. That's it. I'm done. I'm not going to do anything else except for I am going to, the petals on the outside have really beautiful natural cells, so I'm not going to touch that. What I do want to see is, actually, you know what? No, I'm not going to torch it. I was going to torch just here in the center just to see if anything would pop up. Let me do a tester. So there's some black that came out of there. No, I'm not doing it. Nope, nope, nope. Not going to do it. Not going to do it. Okay, that's it. I love it. Just like so. It's pretty. Let me bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, here it is. I am loving this. I love the silver. It turned out really, really great, guys. I'm loving this light glacier blue. That is so pretty as well. So if you want to purchase anything off the Arteza website, you can do so using the link in my description below, and you can save 10%. So I did double check that. It is 10% off, and you can use my code Kanella Ciraco Art and the number 1. I will have that listed in the description below as well. Check out all my other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. I am now on TikTok. If you have no idea what TikTok is, check it out. It is the most addictive app you've ever been on. I swear I spend hours on that thing. It's hilarious. But yeah, so I'm now on TikTok as well. Check out my Amazon links. If you want to buy any products off Amazon, you can do so using my Amazon shop links. And my PayPal link for anyone who would like to donate to my channel. Thank you very much, guys, for 1 year of awesomeness. 60,000 subscribers later, and love and support from all around the world. So thank you so very much for all of that, guys. Don't forget the calendar contest. Comment below to be entered into the contest. And for that extra vote, head on over to Instagram. Comment on the Instagram post and make sure you are following, okay? And don't forget to check out Juno. So that's it. Thank you very much, guys. It's been a full blast, a complete blast in this last year, and I can't wait to see what the next year brings. So thank you very much. 1 year, 60,000 subscribers, video number 170. That's crazy, 170 videos. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. Love you guys all. Have a good day. Have a good night, and I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.